Alright guys, let me welcome you warmly. I have something very cool today to show you. Again, I'm wearing my merch hoodie, so do subscribe, do buy our merch. It helps us to stay afloat. And then, this is something I have for you today. Suomy, okay, so that's the name of the helmet today that I'm gonna unpack. So unpacking with a view, guys, unboxing with a beautiful panorama. Okay, so what we have here today, okay, armor plain matte army. Okay, so let's get it open, let's unpack, let's see what's inside. And obviously you guys know that I always take the helmet for a test ride, so this won't be different. Maybe not right now, but I will do it. Okay, so nice stickers, the manual, obviously instruction set, nice packaging. Okay, so you can see here we have something more. All right, oh, that's the jaw piece. Okay, and here we have the helmet itself. So let me take it out, put it on the table gently. This is a glass table, so I have to be careful. Kochani, odpakowujemy w pięknych widoczkach kolejny kask, tym razem słomy. So as you guys will be able to see, this is an open helmet for now. In a nice military green color. Okay, let's get the jaw part ready. And here you can see this is the visor. Oh, there's a knob here. I think it needs to be moved. Okay, there we go. This visor is approved for armor, ballistic. Okay, okie dokie. Now time to attach this bottom piece. Let's get it out of the packaging. No rush today. So as always, in jet helmets, there's a statement from the producer: does not protection from impacts, and that's obvious. This is a jet helmet, guys, remember. So it will look good, but it will just be cosmetic. It won't have any real protective function. Okay, no, that's nice. Now I need to install it there. Okay guys, so no rush today. We're now gonna install it nicely. I have this jaw piece here. Let's put it on. Should be quite easy. Nice. It clicks nicely in. This is cool, guys. This looks, I must say, it reminds me of something. I think I know what now. A bit of the green Goblin helmet. So Suomy in military green, looking very cool. Let's put it on, guys. Alright guys, let's try it on.